Frequently asked questions from Searchbug community. Reassigned Numbers Database API. What is a Reassigned Numbers Database? The Reassigned Numbers Database, or RND, helps businesses avoid calling or texting numbers they have consent to contact that have been reassigned. It also offers safe harbor protection under TCPA, shielding businesses from penalties if they accidentally contact a reassigned number. What is safe harbor protection? Safe harbor protection under the TCPA shields businesses from liability if they contact a reassigned number after properly checking the Reassigned Numbers Database. If the RND shows the number wasn't reassigned at the time of the query, but the number is later reassigned, any accidental contact won't result in penalties. The protection is granted because the business followed the required compliance process by checking the database, showing they acted in good faith and took reasonable steps to avoid contacting the wrong party. How to access the RND? To access the Reassigned Numbers Database, businesses have the option of registering directly with the FCC or through an integrated API provider like Searchbug. How to access RND through Searchbug? To access the RND, you'll need to complete and submit a Letter of Authorization or LOA. This document notifies the FCC that Searchbug is your caller agent and grants us permission to make queries on your behalf. What's the difference between Searchbug's RND API and FCC's RND? There are many benefits to using Searchbug instead of going directly through the FCC. First and foremost, FCC's RND uses a subscription-based model with query limits and expiration dates. In other words, use it or lose it. Searchbug's RND API, on the other hand, follows a pay-per-search model, where you only pay for the queries you make and prepaid balances never expire. This makes it a more cost-effective option and gives businesses greater control over their queries and volume throughout the year. Can I try RND API for free? Absolutely. Just register for a free API test account, and we will add $10 in funds which you can use to test live data. Note: queries made during testing phase are not covered by safe harbor protection. Want to test our RND API for free? Register a free API test account today. Check the description below for the registration link.